We are hustling. Let me show you how I box up these products. So this is the Priority Mail Express. These are express boxes. Honestly, I just like the size. It doesn't mean I'm gonna be mailing express, but the size on this is, these are 11.5 by 8.5 by 5 1/4. These are okay boxes. There are other ones I use that are way better. They're smaller, but these ones will get the job done too. And what I'm gonna do is you're gonna just open it up, take this little tab here. I'm not a lefty, so. And then you open them up. This is a pack of 25. So we're gonna take one and we're gonna fold this shit. Oh, these aren't actually that bad. These aren't that bad for what I ship. But see, they have them connected to these. Sometimes they rip the box. Be careful. Let's tape it up. So when you do it, you want to make sure the paper is up a little bit. See how the paper is above the crease? So that way the paper pushes down. That way you prevent your item from moving. See how it gives a little bounce? Just want to firmly get that down. Fold it once, fold it twice, and then we're going to tape it. And the way I like to tape is I like to put one piece of tape here in the middle, and then one piece of tape here, one piece of tape here. That might be overkill, but hey, you know what? If the product arrives damaged, you know, it's not gonna, the box isn't gonna come apart and the product's not gonna go damaged, so, yeah. So in the end, this is what it's gonna look like. It's got one piece of tape here, one piece of tape here, and then one piece of tape here. And on the back, it's the same thing. Might be a little overkill, but it's a good 4 or 5 pounds. I just like to make sure the box isn't gonna come undone.
346 minutes later.
So quick update. I guess I mailed these Priority Mail Express, and the post office literally will not. Look, I have to, these ones, I have to put them back in these boxes. Literally, look at my mess. I got a mess in here. Literally had to get new boxes because I ran out. Crazy. So have any of you guys ever run into that issue where you send something in like an express box, but you put a priority label on it and they won't mail it? It's just, I don't know, it's so stupid. Anyways, I had to go back to the post office and pick up my packages. Luckily, it wasn't like 60 of them. It was only about 8 or 9. And I have to rebox them up and send them back. This is why do your shipments the first day you get them, because if this happened on day 3, now my shipments would be late and these packages would be arriving late, which would potentially cause a problem. So guys, hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next hustle.